Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Earlier we were watching that the price line of Stellar was rejected by the resistance of a descending triangle, and I told you that we may retest the support of this descending triangle again. Right now we are again reached the support of this descending triangle, and in today's video we will analyze whether are we going to break it down or we can expect a reversal move from here for the breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line entered in this channel here in this descending triangle on 4th of December. We had a bounce, we had rejection, and we had another bounce here and here as well, and we had 3 more rejections. And right now the price line is again testing the support once more. And if we will have reversal from here, then this time the resistance is approximately at 28.5 cents. And if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, let me make it more visible for you. Now you can see that the stochastic is very close to enter the oversold zone, and you can see that the movement of the stochastic and the price line within this descending triangle is quite squeezed, quite synchronized with each other, and it is getting more and more squeezed as well. And we can see that whenever the price line reaches here at the support and the stochastic hits the oversold zone, the price line turns bullish and hits the resistance. And this same action happened here, and we can expect a same move once again, because the stochastic is once again very close to enter the oversold zone. Now let's move to the weekly time frame, and here as we have been watching even in my previous videos as well, this is a very strong key support zone for the price line. And we can see that when we had this powerful rally in the month of November 2020, we had a very strong rejection by this resistance. Then the price line broke it out here, and after breaking it out, the price line tested the previous resistance as a support, confirmed this support, and after that it started the next rally towards the upside. And since after that the price line has tested this support again and again, but never broke it down since after November 2020. Now let's move back to this triangle. Now for example, if we will have a reversal from here, and in case of breakout from this triangle, we can expect a move approximately here that will be approximately 35 cents. But in case of breakdown, it can turn really very bearish, and our target to the downside can be approximately 18 cents. But we still have a very strong support of this weekly key support zone. Therefore, I'm not expecting that the price line will move more down than this level, that is approximately 22 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.